Aluminum extrusion is more than just shaping metal. It combines die design, process control, and manufacturing capability. It creates custom profiles for real industrial applications. The process starts with qualified aluminum billets. Depending on the application, different alloys are selected to match strength, corrosion resistance, and fabrication requirements. Before extrusion, the billet is heated within a controlled temperature range. It becomes plastic enough to be formed while still remaining solid. The heated billet is then transferred to the extrusion press. Under high hydraulic pressure, the aluminum is forced through a custom steel die. This forms the required cross-sectional shape for the application. At this stage, die design is critical. It directly affects profile complexity, dimensional stability, and production efficiency. As the freshly extruded profile exits the press, it is still at an elevated temperature and remains in a hot as extruded condition. Although the cross-sectional shape has already been formed, the material is not yet in a stable state for downstream handling. Controlled cooling begins immediately along the runout table. Depending on the alloy and production requirements, cooling may use air, mist, or water-based systems. This step does more than reduce temperature. It helps stabilize the profile, supports dimensional consistency, and prepares the material for stretching, cutting, and, in the case of heat-treatable alloys, subsequent aging treatment. After cooling, the profile is stretched in a controlled range. This improves straightness, reduces residual stress, and supports tighter dimensional consistency. This is a critical step for applications that require reliable fit, stable assembly, and downstream fabrication performance. Once straightened, the profiles are cut to the required lengths based on project or shipment needs, depending on the alloy and application. The profiles may then undergo artificial aging. This helps achieve the required temper and mechanical properties. For many projects, extrusion is only part of the solution. Profiles may also go through machining, drilling, punching, anodizing, powder coating, or other finishing processes based on end-use requirements. Before shipment, the profiles go through inspection. Dimensions, appearance, and overall production consistency are checked. They are then packed and prepared for safe handling and export delivery. From standard sections to custom-engineered profiles, we support industrial projects with die development, extrusion, machining, finishing, and export-ready supply. If you are sourcing custom aluminum extrusions, send us your drawing or sample for review. Our team can help evaluate feasibility, production route, and cost efficiency for your project.